Hey guys, it's Forever XD, and I'm doing a bike check on my Blackmarket killswitch. Alright, this is the second day that I've had it. I've already ridden it. Got a little muddy, but whatever. It's a medium frame. Shimano St. Cranks. Eastern white pedals. I don't know what, I think it's like, I don't know what it's called, but it's a Shirley chain tensioner. I think that for a kill switch you should have a chain tensioner, otherwise it's just not. The chain falls off easy. Red Zone full chrome wheels, Kenda back tire, Avid juicy brakes, and below, or however you do that, grips. I don't remember what kind of grips they are, but that's the kind of, whatever that's called. Fox 32 float, 120mm forks. Pretty nice forks, and that comes stock with an X Fusion back shock. We the people seat. So yeah, pretty sick build, I have to say. Yep. If you have any questions or anything, just comment, and please subscribe. Peace.